Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a current favorites / August favorites video. These are things I've been using every day of August, and also some of these things I've been enjoying for a couple of months now. I just figured it would be fun to do a little bit of a favorites video because I love to watch these. So without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's just get started. So my first favorite is actually a fragrance brand favorite. This brand reached out to me and they asked me if they could send me a few things, and so I said yes. The brand is Dossier, I believe is how you say it. They sent me 2 perfumes and they come in these really nicely packaged boxes. And so I picked out 2 scents. I picked the scents Woody Sandalwood and also Spicy Vanilla. And these are 50 milliliters, which is 1.7 fluid ounces. And this is what the bottle looks like. The cap just comes on and off like this. This one is my favorite, Woody Sandalwood. The top notes are violet leaves and cardamom. Middle notes are orris, ambrox, cedarwood, and cypriol, and the base notes are musk, sandalwood, and amber. I like this one the best just because it has that sandalwood scent, and I just really love the smell of sandalwood and also patchouli. But this one is just like definitely sandalwood, but like with a warm hint to it. I don't know how to explain it, but it just smells super good, and the bottles are super cute. But when you get a scent from Dossier, it comes in this little box, and then the inside, it just looks like this. It comes with this little card and it explains everything to you. So basically how it works with Dossier is you order any scent and it comes with a little sample size. So you test out the sample size, and if you don't like the scent, within 30 days you can send back the perfume itself and they will refund you. And it's just, I don't know, returns are free, no questions asked, super simple. And the other scent I did get, like I said, is Spicy Vanilla, but it just looks like this in here. So this one isn't my favorite just because I feel like this is more of a masculine scent, and I don't really wear things like that. So this one I'm probably going to just give to a friend or someone who really likes the way it smells. But with Dossier, all of their perfumes are less than $50, and they are compared to high-end brand scents that range between $50 and $250. So you get a really good deal for your, like, bang for your buck. Some of their perfumes are only $29, some of them are $39, and I don't think any of them go above $49. So I'm really happy that Dossier decided to partner with me on this video and that they reached out. They've been super kind, and I love this scent. One that I'm definitely going to be picking up is called Musky Musk, and it is a similar scent to Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. So I definitely want to grab that one because I've wanted that perfume forever. I do have a discount code for you. It is going to be on the screen right here. It will save you 10% off until September 9th. And also, when you make your first order, you do get an additional 20% off your purchase. So if you use my code and the 20% off, you'll get 30% off your very first order. So thank you so much, Dossier. And let's get into my other favorites. So sticking with fragrance, I do have a candle favorite. This is Leaves by Bath & Body Works. This is my all-time favorite candle from them. I have one burning literally right there. This just smells absolutely amazing. And I'm not sure what the notes are. It doesn't say on here, but it just smells like apples and fall, and I just love it. Fall is my favorite time of year, so that candle is just perfect for me. So now I have a bunch of beauty favorites, things I have just been absolutely loving right now, If you hear noises in the background, that would be my dog. She's playing with her toys. But first, we will start off with foundation. My current favorite foundation is the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop. This is the blurring skin tint, and I have the shade 3. This is just very light coverage. It's really good for the fact that I've been back to school and I don't want anything super full coverage on my skin, and I've just really been enjoying this. Now we have concealer. This is the Lancome Tinty Dull Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. It just looks like this. I have the shade 90 and it has a beautiful packaging. This retails for $29, and I believe so does the foundation. But I just really enjoy this concealer. I like the doe foot it has. It's a pretty large doe foot, so it's just good for picking up a lot of product. And I really like the coverage of this and the finish. Next, I have an under eye primer. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Hydrating Under Eye Primer. I've been obsessed with this ever since I got it, and I think I got it over 2 months ago. I use this every single day. The packaging is just really pretty. But I'm like obsessed with this stuff. I literally get so upset if I forget to use it, because like some days I'm just like in a really big rush and I forget to like use primer in general. But this is just literally amazing. Like, I love this under eye primer so much. And it has one of those cooling tip applicators, which is super nice because I've started going back to school, and so it's really nice just to have something cold and refreshing under my eyes in the morning right after I wake up, and just have that like early morning puffiness. Next, I have an all over setting powder. This is the Dior Perfecting Translucent Powder, Natural Radiant Blur Effect, All Day Matte Finish. I have the shade 1N Neutral, and the packaging looks like this. It's super pretty. I've been testing out this powder for I think a week now, and I can just already tell that I really enjoy it. Like, you can see how I've ruined the pan right there. I don't know if I could say that this is better than my all-time favorite, which is the L'Oreal 24 Hour True Match, but I do really like this, and I do not pick up pressed powders like ever, but I decided to try this one out and I've been really enjoying it. We have another Jaclyn Hill product. I actually have multiple Jaclyn Hill products. I just think her brand has been doing amazing, but this is also from the Prep and Set line that the under eye primer is from, and this is her brightening and setting palette. I have the lightest shade, of course, because I am extremely pale, but it just looks like this, and I really enjoy it. My two favorite shades are these two at the bottom, which are Honey and Almond. I've been self-tanning because I went back to school and I didn't want to look super pale, so I've been using these two the most, but I definitely feel like in the wintertime I will be able to use these two. But I have made a large dent in those two shades. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but I really love this. It just makes my under eyes so perfected. It helps so much with creasing. It just brightens the under eye, adds some life back into your face, and I really would recommend this. This has just ultimately became a staple in my collection. We have a couple more Jaclyn products. So this is the Jaclyn Putty Highlighter, and I have the shade Glazed Out. You can see the damage I've done to this. I think I've been using this for about 3 weeks now, and I use it every day. It is the highlighter I have on today. I just got out of school, so like my makeup isn't super fresh looking, but I will just do a slight application for you guys. I'm literally barely gonna dab it in, and it just literally adds such a bright highlight to the face. Like, it's so pretty, and I usually will apply it just with my brush and then go in with my beauty blender and just pat over a tiny bit, and it just helps kind of like make everything just blend perfectly into the skin. So I really love this. If you haven't picked this up, I know it's available, I think still at Morphe. If it's not available there, you might have to try and find it somewhere else, but either check Jaclyn Cosmetics or Morphe. My last cheek product is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Rouge Romance Matte Blush Palette. and I have the one in Rouge Romance, and the packaging on the outside is beautiful, as you saw, and then the inside just looks like this. I am very impressed with these blushes. They are just so pigmented, so creamy, so blendable. Like, everything you need for a blush is right here. And it's only $45, and you get 6 full-size pans of blush. It has 28.8 grams of product in it, which is 1.02 ounces, and I believe that is divided upon each of the blush shades. But I really love this. My favorite shades are Tea Room, Pretty Posh, and also Fancy Pants. So these 3 right here have been my favorites, just because some of these are a little bit bright, but I really do love this, and I've been using this on an almost daily basis. Now we have an eyeshadow palette. This, I wasn't surprised that I liked it, but I've only done, I think, 2 dramatic looks with it, and then I've been using it the past couple of days for just like my simple makeup for school. But this is the Glamlight X Michaela palette. It's beautiful. We all know what this looks like on the outside. It's just stunning. But I really love this palette. Like, it has really blown me away. The shimmers are just stunning. I've just been mixing these neutral mattes up there on my eyes just for a simple look to go with my wing eyeliner. But this is really, really beautiful. I believe when I did my look, I think I did purples, but I don't really remember. It was a couple weeks ago. But I do really, really enjoy this palette, and I just think it's really, really pretty. So if you are wanting it, they should be restocking this soon, I believe. Lastly, for makeup, we have some lip products. I have 2 from Jaclyn Cosmetics and then 1 from Lunar Beauty. So from Lunar Beauty, I have the lip gloss in the shade Moon. I love this. I love this so much. They have just the best lip gloss formula, and there's just so many shades, and the packaging is so pretty on it. And this is just like a perfect everyday nude gloss. I also have the shade Celine, which is just like a clear gloss with a bunch of really beautiful shimmers in it. And I'm just obsessed with Lunar Beauty's lip products. They really killed it with these, and I do really, really, really recommend picking these up if you've been looking at Lunar Beauty. My last 2 makeup products are the Jaclyn Cosmetics liquid lipsticks and lip liner. So my go-to shade is I'm a Cancer from the liquid lipsticks, and then Butter Pecan from the lip liner. This is a beautiful combo, and then you throw this on top. Oh my god, the perfect nude shades. Like, this is just the perfect nude lip for my skin tone. I'm not wearing these right now just because, like I said, I just got off of school, and as soon as I'm done filming, I will be taking all of my makeup off. But I really, really love all of these products. The liquid lipsticks don't make your lips dry, but they're not sticky, and the lip liners are just so glidey and smooth, and I just love them. Everything's so pigmented and just perfect. So this has been my lip combo that I've been really in love with lately. So I do have 2 lashes to mention quick, and then I only have 1 more thing after this. So I think the brand is I Envy, but these are the natural 3D lashes in the style 12. These are my everyday lashes. I have had to buy 5 or 6 pairs of these already, and I just discovered them like 3 months ago. I wear these almost every single day. Today I switched it up, and I will be showing you the lashes I'm wearing today in a second, but I wore these on my first day of school. My second day of school, I wear these to the salon. I wear them for makeup looks. I wear them for anything, like literally anything, and they're just beautiful. They are definitely very voluminous and fluffy. I get mine on Amazon. They have packs of 2 for like $5 or $6, so I just buy them on there. But I really, really love these, and they're just really, really good. So the last beauty related item is the Dose of Joe's lashes. These are the style Cecilia. They are what I have on my eyes today. They are just natural and long, but not too much volume. I know Josephine likes to cut them in half and just have them on the outer corner, but I just love these lashes. They're super long and natural, and they don't look too dramatic on the eyes. You can wear these with a wing liner or by themselves. You can wear them with eyeshadow or by themselves. They're just very versatile, good for literally any look, and I just really love these, so I had to give her a shout out. So my last two favorites are the Cheez-It Snapped like crackers. I have the cheddar sour cream and onion. These are, I think, my 4th bag, and I haven't opened them yet, but these are just literally amazing. They're so good. So I really recommend these if you haven't tried them before. Like, they are absolutely amazing. Like, I love these so much. They're just addicting. Like, you eat one and then you think that you need the whole bag, and I bought the family size bag because one of the small bags is just not enough. But then my last favorite is also a snack. I've been obsessed with the Magnum ice cream bars. I will insert a picture for you guys because I don't have any with me right now, but they are just these like chocolate sticks. Like, they're ice cream bars basically, but on a stick, and they have like a layer of vanilla ice cream and then a layer of chocolate like drizzled all the way down it, and then a layer of caramel, and then another layer of chocolate on top. So like when you bite into it, it's just like ooey gooey beautiful caramel, and the ice cream is just so smooth, and it's just, oh my god, it's amazing. I have my best friend addicted to these, my brother, my boyfriend, everybody loves these ice cream bars. They're so good, so I really recommend them. But that is everything I have for you guys today. I just thought I'd pop in, do a little favorites video, see what's cracking with you guys. Let me know what your favorites are down below. Make sure you check out Dossier and use my code. But with all that being said, I love you to the moon and back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys!